Boarding and Oshwal extras. These are just things I've remembered or people have reminded me. So boarding. First, it was in the old place. During those times, Parit Jadu and I were very close, so I used to hang out with him. And that time, because I was into rap, we formed kind of duo. I was General Shy. General because General Levy from Incredible Takarar, and Shy from I Don't Want No Shy Guy. I was just a shy guy anyway. Jadu's name was Sergeant Sly. So General Shy and Sergeant Sly. And our rap, let me remember if I get this right. Now this is the rap I did, which was very basic. And it went a little something like this. Roaming in my town, going up and down. What can I do? Just me and you from here to there. Going everywhere. And then either Jadu would hype me or I would hype Jadu with repeating the last word of every line. So it used to go, back in the hood, I did what I could, just want to say. Most of those days, I didn't have my ways. Very basic, because this was the time when Domino, guy, you're so fly, gotta get a piece of that sweet potato pie. The other guy was Eric Gable. It's the process of elimination. Now all this was music we used to hear from Mehul, the British guy. And he used to live in the boarding, and according to the stories I heard was that he came to Kenya because he was causing too much trouble in London. One of the stories was that he used to make thousands of pounds going out in the middle of the night and taking the sledgehammers and breaking down people's houses. And he was pretty gangster. Also in this boarding, there used to be a guy who used to have a morning ritual. And Parith used to tell us the story. He goes in the shower 6 in the morning, in the toilet with a large glass. In one of the cubicles, you'll hear, and then there's a name for it, urology or urophilia, or basically drinking your urine for health. Another story was of a guy, I won't say his name. Recently I saw a picture of him, and I'm like just seeing that smile on him. Like he had that overbite first of all, and a very peaceful smile. Just seeing him made me very happy, because I was like, he was a nice guy. But he was sleeping at the bottom bunk in the boarding, while someone at the top bunk decided to snatch his cover off because he felt something suspicious was going on. And something suspicious was going on because at the same time, there's no easy way to put it. Some fatakras happened. And the result was in this guy's hand, sticky solution. So he's like, look, magic. So his nickname ended up being Magic. Now during these times, I used to love spending time in these boardings, both of them, old and new, especially rainy days. Rainy days always remind me of a very happy time. Just playing in puddles and just running around in the rain, enjoying. Kenyan rain was just beautiful. I have a very special song which I dedicate to rain, which is summer rain puts me down to sleep and wakes me up again. Sometimes I swear I hear it call my name. Wash away the pain, summer rain. It's by Carl Thomas. Link in the description below. Some other reps I used to do when I got better at the rapping. It's a fast one, and a backstory to this one before I do it. 2009, I went back to Kenya after maybe 3 years or so. I was chilling in my favorite place, Books First, doing my thing, and a group of guys sat next to me, and they were just in a cipher. They were freestyling and this and that. Later on, I found out the guy's name was Miss Abbas or something Abbas. So I told them, hey man, even I rap. Like you want to hear my rap? So this is my rap. First one was, kwani serikali ni nani kucheza nami, hawezi fika bali mimi ni mbwa kali. So that was one. And that time I also liked chewing cut, handas. So it was something like, mimi nakupenda gomba, sababu baada ya kuchonga, nasikia kubonga, tomba na gonga. I'm trying to be polite, please toboa my sprite. Something about big G's and yeah, I can't remember that one. I'll need to look at my lyrical book. Next is the new boarding. When they moved to the new boarding, it was a high story one with swimming pool, and there was a guy called either Maraj or Maraj. was the son, and Samji was the father or something. They were the caretakers or whatever. People used to come. Now there was this couple. One guy lived in boarding, and the girls' hostel was just next door. So the guy would walk to hostel, pick her up, bring her over, and then both of them would just sit there, not talk to each other. And then when the time was over, curfew time, he drops her back, comes back. And I'm like, what a beautiful relationship. Like, you don't even need to talk. And we used to be fascinated. We're like, just look at them, just not saying anything. They don't look at each other, just sit there and just look at life happening. Other boarding stories was Shili. When he was there, I used to go see him a lot. Other people, I used to see Hitesh, Nishil, Sangrajka. He used to make this metal pipe bomb with matchbox fillings, and wherever Hitesh was, Shamik was always there because they were the besties. And they used to order, I don't know how many burgers and stuff, which Johnny used to go and get from Burger Hut. Later, much later on, there was a guy who I still don't get this. People decided to be my social justice warriors and give this guy grief. They used to burn his mattress, bully him, scare him. And I'm like, 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 4 people used to do this. You know, I'm a menace to society. But I don't mean any malice to society. I don't know be a malice to anybody. So I felt bad for the guy. There was some rumors and whatnot, but anyway. Also in boarding, because I used to hang out with Hitesh, he introduced me to Pooja, Nishma, and Seema. He used to call her Bur. So we used to go see her. I had a crush on Seema because she had that Russian look, cheeky, nice big eyes, and we both like prints. So I got her these earrings, and I think we shared the earrings, or it was a very nice logo. Because she was so far, we never really got to spend that much time, apart from this one time when she came down. So that's boarding. Let's close boarding off now. Are we on a smooth enough road now? Are we on a road now?